welcome to Rivergate Toyota Scion, the #1 certified Toyota dealer in Tennessee and home of the best deal.
This is a 2003 Ford Explorer, a big SUV for big fun. This Ford's list of numerous features includes power windows, cruise control, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, a security system, and this vehicle has just over 75,000 miles. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This SUV won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Rivergate Toyota Scion is located at 1520 North Gallatin Pike in Madison. Our objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.